In this video, I'm going to show you what Tagon is, how to use it, and how to utilize it to get more traffic, subscribers, and customers from the links that you share. So let's say that you have an interesting article that you want to share with your audience. The problem is that once you share the link and once people click on the link and go to the website, you cannot interact with your audience anymore because they are on the other websites. Tagon solves this problem by allowing you to share any piece of content while being able to interact with your audience at the same time. So let's see how it works here. So we're here at the Tagon dashboard, and as you can see, it's very simple dashboard right here. You can see all the shortened URLs here, all the statistics for each URL. And when you want to create a shortened URL, just click here and paste your link right here. But first, before creating your shortened URLs, what you need to do is you need to go to settings and you need to set how you want to interact with your audience. So think about it this way. On your website, how do you interact with your audience? Do you have a call to action? Do you have a pop-up ad, a pop-up image, or do you have a custom chat, a chat box, or social proof, a pop-up? How do you interact with your audience? Tagon will allow you to interact with your audience on other people's websites the same way that you interact with your audience on your website. Additionally, Tagon will allow you to embed any pixels or tracking codes that you use on your website as well. So we're talking about a Facebook pixel, Google Analytics, AdWords, and any tracking code and pixels that you can find here. So let me demonstrate to you how to do that. So when you first use Tagon, go to settings and define how you want to interact with your audience. Here I want to interact with my audience via a chat box. So I've added my ConvertFox script here and my Instagram script here. And this is how you define how you're going to interact with your audience. So to add a new custom script, so basically custom scripts, any services that you use on the website that provides a script for you to embed on your website, you can add it here. So it's very easy to use. Just put the name right here of the script, just set a name so you can identify that later, and just paste your custom script right here. And I will go to other settings later, but basically they all work the same ways. So put your custom script right here, click on add, and I've already added 2 of my scripts right here. So let me demonstrate that to you how it works with the shortening URL. So go to the dashboard and put your URL to be shortened right here. And because you added the custom script, so custom script is the way that you want to interact with the audience, so you would switch it on right here and select the custom script that you've added. In this case, I want to add ConvertFox on my script, and I will show you other settings later, but basically it's as easy as that. Just 3 steps actually. 1, define the way that you want to interact with your audience in the settings. 2, put the URL that you want to share with the audience here and select what you've set up in the settings right here and click on create Tagon URL. So let me go to the URL to see what it does. So as you can see here, I'm sharing an article from entrepreneur.com with my audience, and as you can see, on entrepreneur.com there are no chat boxes right here, but on the link that I share with my audience, I have the chat box that my audience can click on and chat with me, or I can have a chat prompt to catch my audience attention while they are on the link that I shared. So do you see how powerful it is when it comes to being able to interact with your audience on any piece of content that you share out there? So basically that's how it works. Now I will walk you through some of the settings right here to show you the power of Tagon. So basically this is the link that you have set up right here, and let's click on edit URL. What you can do is you can change the link slug right here to say whatever you want, and also you can also change the custom metadata and description and images. So what it is when you share this link on Facebook, Facebook will show you the meta description and the meta title and the meta image. You can customize all that right here. So let me demonstrate that to you. So let's say something like that, just for an example. So let me go to Facebook to see what the meta description does. As you can see, Facebook is fetching the meta information. So as you can see, it grabs the title that I specify here and also the meta description. In this case, I don't think it grabs the image, but sometimes it does. It totally depends on Facebook whether they want to grab the meta image or not, but basically that's how it works. Now let's go to the settings and let me show you other features. So if you don't have any marketing services that you use that have any custom scripts for you to embed on your website, what you can do is you can easily create your own call to action. So basically a call to action is just a pop-up that catches your visitor attention and link to any website that you want to link to. So that is call to action. You can easily add new right here and just follow this and just fill out this field. They are pretty straightforward to understand right here. So that's call to action, and the next one is images. So again, if you don't have any custom scripts that you use, you can use your image. Maybe you have a physical product that you are selling, or you have a banner or something like that. You can pop up your image on any links that you share. So it's very easy to use. Currently we don't support uploading your image yet, but what you can do is you can upload your image anywhere on the web and just copy the target URL right here. And you can also share any image on the web. So let me find an image real quick, just a random image. So this is cute. Let me just copy the image address and put it here. No, it's custom image URL, and the target URL is the link that you want to link to. So let's say that I want to link to Google, and just set a name, and you can select when the image appears and where it appears. So with open when page load will load the image after the page is loaded for a period of time. So here when the page load after 3 seconds. So you can set the image to appear after a certain period of time after the visitor visits the page. So that's open when page load. The other option is open on exit intent. So it's similar to the intent pop-up, many intent pop-up that you've seen. When you move the mouse near the out of the browser window, the image will appear. So, and this setting is the same for call to action too. So call to action, you have when open when the page load and open when on exit intent. And you can also select the position for it to appear. So for call to action, so the call to action will look like this. For call to action, you will have the right position, so basically it's bottom right, and the left position on the bottom left. And you can choose the style of your call to action right here. With images, we have some more position. Okay, so it can be middle, so it's gonna be at the middle of the page right here, bottom right, bottom left, top right, and top left. So you can specify where you want the images and your call to actions to appear. And let's talk a little bit about custom domain. So yes, basically you are able to use your custom domains to shorten the URLs, so people will only see your brand. Our default domain is tagl.inc. So if you don't want that, you can use your custom domain. Basically, we have a tutorial here for you to set up the custom domain. It's pretty easy to set up, and you can set up any domain that you want to use. So let's talk a little bit about pixels and tracking code. So pixel and tracking code are something that your visitors don't visually see, but they are loaded in their browser to track or retarget your visitors. So with pixels and tracking code, let's see here, we have an option to 301 redirect. So if you don't want to pop up anything for your visitors to see, you can select this. So when you select 301 redirect, let me show you it real quick. What it does is that, so let's say I add a Facebook pixel right here. So let's say I add a Facebook pixel right here, and I want to shorten it to this article, and I don't want people to see this. Okay, so I want people to still see the entrepreneur.com domain right here. I don't want people to see this. Basically, how we do that is we will redirect directly to the article site, to the link that we want to share. when you select this, only pixel or tracking code will work, because basically we are redirecting visitors to other websites. So you won't be able to use call to actions, you won't be able to use pop-up images, because they are not on our website anymore, right? So when you select this, it will redirect you directly to the link that you share. So let me demonstrate that real quick. Pixel tracking code, Facebook pixel, create URL. You see how fast is that to create a shiny URL. So basically, when people go to this URL, all the pixels and tracking codes that you added will be triggered, and after that they will be redirected to your destination URL. So that will help you if you only want to retarget people, if you only want to track people, and you don't want to pop up anything for people to see. This will help. But if you want to pop up a chat box, a opt-in box, or a call to action, an image, I recommend turning this off. So the last feature that I'm going to show you is the tags feature. So basically this is a management feature. So when you share a lot of links, you will have a lot of them, right? You have tons of links, and you won't be able to find the link that you share easily. So with tag, it allows you to basically categorize the links that you share. For example, you can categorize this as marketing, for example. So you will be able to categorize them, and you can search them using tag right here. So this feature will allow you to easily organize your links and search for links and analyze how your links perform. And also you can search for your shortened URLs using your target destination link right here. So let me explain a little bit about the statistics real quick. So they're pretty self-explanatory. So total clicks, meaning the total number of clicks to your links. So if one person clicks your link twice, this will count as the total click. So it will count as 2 clicks, but it will only count as one unique person. And mobile views and desktop views are really simple terms right here. And also on here, this will reflect how much you have used your plan. So for example, if you have a pro plan which has 50,000 clicks per month, this will show you the total number of clicks that you have used. In this case, I have used 51 clicks. And also tag-ons. What are tag-ons? So we use our made-up term tag-on for any tracking pixel, any custom script, any call to action, any pop-up image. So any one of these will count as one tag on. So if you have one pop-up image, it will be one tag on. If you have one call to action, it will be one tag on. If you have each one of these, one tracking code, one custom script, one call to action, and one pop-up image, you will have 4 tag-ons right here. So I hope this video has helped you get an overview of tag-on and how you can use it to supercharge the links that you want to share and get more results from your marketing activities. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.